Orlando Pirates is making a big mistake by releasing Usipho. I still think the team needs Sipho Mbule. Sipho Mbule has a lot to offer Orlando Pirates, and he wasn't given a chance, Bafetu, if we're being honest, to prove himself. If Sipho Mbule has off the pitch issues, then kanti why lama team lawa ngana ma psychologist, angana ma counselor, angana nabantu abangabathatha bakhulume nalama player lawa and help these players. For me, I think when Orlando Pirates announced the signing of Sipho Mbule at the start of last season, we were all excited, sonke besi motivated, thinking, Bafetu Sipho Mbule is getting a second chance. Umchita's gonna prove himself sharp. Adla those few games that he played, and then ukocho bafana basira sata mfana zokala sambe sego AFCON. That's where things started. Uthe makafika ku AFCON, he didn't perform the way a lot of us thought he would perform, and then makabuyele khaya ku Orlando Pirates, he wasn't getting enough game time. So if you are not getting enough game time and you are known as one of the best number 10s in the country, you the possible replacement Themba Zwane, and then all of a sudden you're not getting game time, what does that do to you mentally? What does that do to you psychologically? Igenzani lento le emotionally. So esikhathini esiningi abantu bafethu, they just looking for a surviving mechanism. Umuntu uzohamba gijimele kulento le yabona atho doesn't just ukuthi ngikhophe ngisurvive na into engizosebenza ngayo because Gunama player, Orlando Pirates has wasted money on a lot of players. They've wasted money signing a lot of players. Baba sign good, Baba release. Gilbert was the perfect example. Bam signing le bangawadinga ama services wake. They signed him only to loan him back to the team. Abam signing from Miona. Na kuseba yam release. Umariko bam signeleni. Orlando Pirates doesn't need Umariko. Umariko ayenzele Pirates. Umashilwane be bam signela in. What is he doing for Orlando Pirates? Utienelum sendami be bam sapi. So the team keeps wasting money signing ama player that don't have an impact. Abangaleti Knicks for the club, Baba release. But players who have an actual impact, Sipho Mbule, why not be patient with Sipho Mbule? Why not help Sipho Mbule? We have seen many players go guti they could have ruined their careers wabo. Mara all of a sudden umuntu izinto zakhe zashintshiwe abuya sekane discipline. Overright, uJabu Pule discipline issues ku Kaizer Chiefs. Left went overseas, abuya what nakabuya, he came back to Orlando Pirates, seka uJabu Mahlangu bekashintshile. I'd like to believe that club was patient naye ngaleso sikhathi leso. So mina personally, we did an injustice to Sipho Mbule. We did a disservice to Sipho Mbule. Na yourself Sipho Mbule, he let himself down. Khona manje mfana uthole chance of being on one of the biggest stages. You allowed the noise, if you know, is imphazamisile. He allowed whatever things azithanda outside of ibhola ukuthi zimphazamisile, zi-impact igame yakhe. Khona manje akwaziwa, he's either going to Iswelele. What's he gonna do? Does Hugo Bruce even have time to watch Iswelele? Will the next coach Bafana even sit down abheka uSwelele? Aspen honest bafethu, ngisho nakubo Spain, Germany, France, ama coach awana isikhathi sokuhlala babheka ama team amancane ukuthi ubani odlala kanjani. Unless there's one standout player bamtshela ngaye. Mele kube ne scout esamba sitshela ucoach ukuthi coach kunalo mfana lo gijima kule team so mbheke. Then ucoach athi no lo mfana lo akeze. Sipho Mbule ahambe yodlala Swelele. The question is, are people even going to watch him lapha yana kuSwelele? Abo bani abazombheka? Is this even the end for Sipho Mbule? So honestly, I think Orlando Pirates could have given him a chance. They could have given him isikhathi umjita, babe patient naye sokuthi aqhubeke adlale. I think izinto ne-Orlando Pirates for Sipho Mbule aziphelanga kahle. He still had a lot to offer for the team. Something amfana creatively. Khona manje Orlando Pirates bali midfield day 1 ongadlali number 8 better than Sipho Mbule. I don't think ukhona. Sipho Mbule usiphethe zonke, uNtswembu ngeTechnique, ngokholda, ngokupasa, he knows how to read the game better. Whenever he came on as a substitute, bekakwazi ukuthatha attention egame izokuye. It's only a special player that knows how to do those few things. So whatever happened between Sipho Mbule and Orlando Pirates, I feel like we are kept in the cold. We are kept in the cold. Can we at least know ukuthi kwenzakaleni? Why ahambile Sipho Mbule? At least basitshele ukuthi no, Sipho Mbule is leaving because of this and that and this and that and this and that. They do it with other players. No, example Bandile Shandu is leaving the team to go look for game time elsewhere. Siyabona ukuthi okay, sharp alove lo hanjiswa ukuthi akahlali akadlala uhlala sebenchini. Why not do the same? Why not give up Sipho Mbule the same courtesy? And lento yokuthi njalo ezama support ekuyihit esithenga amatikiti ekuyihit bafethu esifela lama team supporta lama team ngayo yonke into esinawo bese lama team they keep us in the cold kanjalo. It's not fair. Sometimes you must tell us ukuthi why umuntu so kwenzakala kanje na kanje. For example, the move if umfuke ngakayi overseas after World Cup, we must know why angahambanga. Singa speculate sihlale, come back and tell us good no kunama team show babonisa interest mara bebangafuna ukhipha 1 2 3. I think it's important ukuthi ama fans azi ukuthi kwenzakalani ema team yethu. If we don't know what's happening kuma team wethu, like what's the point of supporting the team? What's the point ukumosha isikhathi uhambe yo support team engeke izikutshele ukuthi anontwana isimo esibhlungu kule team lesu kukanje nakanje. And another thing I spoke about yesterday for laba bebangekho ku live is that why would coach Abdeslam Mowadu ababazi usiphombule kangaka sadla asacoacha kuma Rumo Gallants azathi nyafisa ukusebenza nalomfana. Now that he has the chance yokusebenza nalomfana bese akamdlalisi. Why? Ucoach Abdesla Mowadu uyambona ukuthi umuntu uyawathanda ama-player wakhe, uyambona na the way celebrate ngakhona, abahaga ngakhona, na the way yenza izinto ngakhona. Couldn't he fight for Siphombule? Akakhonanga ukuthi alandele abantu athi gents, siya-understanda what he does outside of the field bafethu akusindaba yethu. As long as masimdinga ejimini afika, that's all we need. Sipho, let's say iplayer nalinenkinga yotshwala. Uthi Brian, imali yakho esikholisayo nokuthi ukhetha ukuyenzani ngaphandle asinandaba. All we need is that masikudinga, be here on time and make sure uyasoba, uzohamba uyophuza amafuni kuphuza. Emsebenzini akhabana ndaba ukuthi wena weekend uhambe wayephuza amahene ayi55 for rambo wayenzani. Into Monday fika emsebenzini usoba ushaya ispan sakho vayi. So ibhola umsebenzi for labafana laba, show up to practice on time, trainer then uyahamba. So why couldn't uSiphombule naye self acabange ke let's say uhlusha lezinto zotshwala ukuthi no machita ngine gym kusasa ungaphuzi ngeSunday, phuza ngeSaturday. Phuza ngeSaturday. Maningi ama-player aphuzayo ku-Betway Premiership. Maningi ama-player nekandala. Ikandala zabantu zafihlwa, zilahlelwa ngaphakathi, zilahlelwa ngaphansi nani. And now uSiphombule is moving to a team coach uSiyema, the same Siyema lo bekakhala nguSiphombule ngebehavior kuSikhukhune United. Is he gonna get game time lapha yana kuSwelele FC? uSiyema uzomdlalisa na othi nakabuyisiyama abona nazo ke madoda yabuya inkathazo unless maybe le indlela yokuthi abantu abaphethiswelele basitshele ukuthi uSiyema uyahamba. And it's a very big lesson to young players abafuna ukungena ku PSL. Angeke udlala ibhola uma unenkinga ngaphandle. Angeke ulunge uma unenkinga ngaphandle. You can be favorite yabo Mdusibeko sokukhuluma ngawe thina sikubabaze, but if i-team ithi intwana alungisa ibehavior thina sikufake kuzokwenzakala izinto ezifana nalezi. So I really hope uSiphombule can pull up his socks, aswabise labantu laba abenze show ukuthi kuyaphela ngaye, ababonise ukuthi udunge ngani, ayenze uGaten McKenzie proud. Izinto zizokwazi ukuthi zibe right. uKabelo Dlamini bafethu kunama speculation amaningi. There are people who are saying that Kabelo Dlamini is still part of the team. Urenew contract, abanye abantu bathi ayikho lento leyo uKabelo Dlamini iyahamba. Again, Orlando Pirates is keeping us in the cold. It's not that management Orlando Pirates abazi ukuthi uKabelo Dlamini is a crowd favorite. It's not that they don't know that Siphombule is a crowd favorite. Bayazi ukuthi labantu abantu esibathandayo, these are people that we want to see play week in week out for Orlando Pirates. Where is Kabelo Dlamini? Mhlambe kunomuntu wePirates obhekelele manje sicela nisitshele kwenzakalani. Labantu enibasayinayo sizokhuluma ngabo when it's time to talk about them. Mthiyani is not yet important. Akakabaleki uMthiyani, kusabaleke laba esaziyo ukuthi they are part of the team nokuthi bazophelela kuphi ne team. uKim Vuidi ubuyile from loan, but it seems Orlando Pirates ayikho interested kuyi. Again, another signing abawaste kuyimali. They wasted money ku Gilberto, ba waste imali ku Mariko, ba waste imali khona manje kuye lo mfana lo mncane lona uKim Vuidi. Baloke bayambhadala but they don't need them. If you don't need a player anymore, sell them out. Mtetela hamba umuntu ungasamoshela isikhathi, don't even keep them. And I don't understand why Orlando Pirates release uThabiso Lubitso. Because uDino van Rooyen noThabiso Lubitso ama natural right back Orlando Pirates now, not to Kamkhelo Sibelebele. Sibelebele is not a right back. Sibelebele mele ukuthi uyapusha le phambili awubele kube uyapusha le phambili ushaya ama cross uqeda abantu uthatha abantu wenza izinto ezi right. Mara abolrato bathi kuno rumor yokuthi Thabang Mathuludi could be coming to Orlando Pirates. Rato is another one of our journalists esibasendayo lapha on the ground ukuthi basitholele information. So uthi there's a chance ukuthi Orlando Pirates could be signing Mathuludi. But now the question is, lo mfana lo uZulu abamsayine lapha ku Richards Bay akusi right back, i center back. Okay, so uMathuludi compete. So if Mathuludi does come to Orlando Pirates, uMathuludi compete no Dino van Rooyen or compete no Kamkhelo Sibelebele. What happens next? Does this mean ukuthi Sibelebele manje is going back to his rightful position lapha phambili, and then uMathuludi no van Rooyen ba compete? And between uMathuludi no van Rooyen, who do you prefer when as a supporter? Ubani omnandi? Ubani oshamarana right? Ubani ontswembu defensively? Who's more aggressive? Mina Dino van Rooyen is my favorite time. Is my favorite of all time. So I'd go for Dino van Rooyen anytime. I don't think Mathuludi coming to Orlando Pirates is going to make any difference. Orlando Pirates is not in need of a right back. Again, another wasted signing. But sign a player kuma position la wesingawadingi. Why not sign a striker? Why not invest money and go hunt for an actual striker? Clearly, Yanela Mbuthuma, no evidence, Mahopa are not giving us the goals that we need. Orlando Pirates should be spending money on strikers. Bonabaya hamba bayo sign go lama department lagna muntu kumele kuteze khona. Unless you are trying to tell us ukuthi Sibelebele uyahamba overseas indirectly. Unless maybe that's what they are trying to tell us, kuti Sibelebele uyahamba uya overseas. But I honestly don't think Mathuludi should be considering a move to a team like Orlando Pirates. Either he goes overseas or go to Kaizer Chiefs. uThabiso Munyano uyaleka, uFrosla they clearly gonna release him lapha yana ku Chiefs. Mathuludi lapha ku Chiefs uzowini line up anytime. any day uyangena uba i-starter uba i-regular ahamba ayodlala i-CAF Confederations Cup.